So what we got here, guys, is 1890s, somewhere around there, Victorian area, coffin. This was designed. It had coffin keys screwed in like this. Then that's what held the coffin, the lid to the coffin, and it held this panel on. And what you would do is you would take this panel off, and it would have a piece of glass in here to be able to see your loved one. So what we're going to do is we're going to refurb this. I got to fix a couple pieces on it. This, then I got to make a piece at the top. I've got to fix this at the bottom down here, get that fixed up. Then we're going to have to sand all this lightly and try to get some varnish on it. Over time it has bowed and warped a little bit, so we're just going to have to work around that. I'm also missing a piece of trim here. Missing a piece of trim here, and I'm going to try to either find a piece this size, or I may take all this trim off and put all new trim on so that I can get it to all match. But we'll see. So these are coffin keys. I might see if I can find some of these. If not, I'm going to have to make some. And it ain't definitely going to be that ornate or look like that, but that's pretty neat. So I'm going to try to find some on eBay or somewhere like that, and we'll put those originally back in there. Also, the coffin I got, all the handles are pretty much the same. I've got beautiful looking handles. I got one oddball. So I'm going to see if I can't find 4 matching ones, or at least one to match that, or 3 to match this. This is real beautiful, so we're going to see if we can't find that to get it all matched. So what we're doing, we put a little wood glue. So put some wood glue in this here. We'll hold that together, then we'll work on this one up here and try to get it together. I'm going to have to make a piece for that, so hopefully I can match it, or get it close. So we'll see. So once we get this piece put back in here, we'll have to make another piece to go across the top. Clean out all the putty for the glass, and I'll take this top and I'll have a glass cut and put back in this. Give it back to the original as possible. do is we'll let that dry, then maybe we'll put some lacquer or something on top of it, shine it up a little bit. But that definitely brought the old look back, and I like that.